Tobuk. And in our last and final row, going to be the 3-car, the hot pink 3-car of Kirk Linmuth. Outside of Kirk, that's Agent 003 of Ryan Savage. Ronnie's going to bring them around. They're picking up speed. Here they come, they come, they come. Green flag, and we're racing.
I don't know, did he?
This race will be 10 laps. As Ronnie Robinson's going to try to pull away. No, he's not, as the yellow flag is. All right, let's try it again, Ronnie. Run a little more side by side with Kyle.
There you go.
All right. They know now. Let's try it again. Here they come. Green flag, we're racing.
That looks better.
So it's going to be Ronnie Robinson for now. Kyle Carlson backed out of it just a hair. Here comes Alex Treptow to look to challenge Carlson. Zach Turner in that 4-car, dropping back into 5th almost as the 193 of Ryan Lagsty is coming up on him.
Top 2 qualify as Robinson out front, Carlson in 2nd. Treptow trying to tiptoe his way up there as Tubach in the 17 round off your top 4.
I see the 193 of Ryan Lagsty. His car's for sale there, Eric.
Ah.
But right now, this is an 8-lap race, and it's going to be Ronnie Robinson coming around, followed by Kyle Carlson, Treptow, Lagsty, Turner, Linmuth, Ryan Savage, and Michael Tobuk. Just pulled it to the inside of the track, so 17-car having some issues there.
Robinson with a huge lead, a little over a 2nd lead between him and that 2nd place car of Kyle Carlson, who's got a nice healthy lead. A little over a 2nd over the 1 of Alex Treptow, so everyone's kind of gapped out.
Well, we've got a little bit of a battle towards the back between Turner and Linmuth. But yeah, they're definitely spaced out pretty far. I'm not going to complain because so far so good, but Linmuth pulls to the inside of the field.
Tuck his way out of there. Captain Kirk out.
Shouldn't say anything, should I?
No.
All right, so it's Robinson, Carlson, Treptow, the for sale car, Lagsty, and then Turner, and then followed by Agent 003.
Yeah, Robinson is a 2nd and a half ahead of that 55 of Kyle Carlson. Treptow trying to tiptoe his way up, but still well over a 2nd behind. Top 2 qualify.
Yeah, Ronnie Robinson, we're getting him down here as the white flag is about to come out. But Ronnie Robinson might be running into lap traffic with Ryan Savage. White flag out for Ronnie, 1 to go.
There's Ryan Savage, the 003 ducks out. Coming to the checkered line, the 47 of Ronnie Robinson.
Followed by Kyle Carlson, Alex Treptow, the 193 of Ryan Lagsty, the number 4 of Zachary Turner. And everybody else went to the inside. It's like almost like a survival race, Eric. They're kind of dropping here. I don't know if the engines are just getting tired or what. But this may have been Art Higby's former American short tracker. Definitely raced here for years and years. Raced here in the 80s. I don't know if that's... He's very, very happy, though. I do know that. Ronnie Robinson, tonight's big winner for Bracket B Bash 1, with one more race to go tonight, folks.
I think the Robinsons could probably put themselves in their own little figure 8 race.
Yeah, there's quite a few of them here we have tonight.